Okay, I got the door hinges. Doors open and closing. I didn't put the top hinge on. I might not never put it on. I don't know yet, but I got it doing pretty good there. Got the doors open and shut. Got that nice drumming effect. Somebody just shut a ratrod door. I heard it shut. Works good. Doors open and shut and on the hinges. So now I can open the door and get in the car and work on it and get out and close the door. Yeah, these hinges, they wasn't that hard to make. Wasn't that bad. I got my door latch. This is my handle to open the door. I'm gonna plug the whole shaved door handle. Don't need no clicker on it because you can already get. There ain't gonna be no window. All you gotta do is reach in there and open it. So yeah, hinges wasn't that bad. A couple pieces here and there. Well, a lot of pieces, but that's pretty easy to make. Not much of a problem at all. So now my next step is, I think the next thing I'm gonna do is get the gas tank mounted back there, because I needed that in before I continue working on the floor and bracing the car up and all that good stuff. And it's gonna stay on the chassis. I want the body to be able to lift the body off the chassis, but the gas tank is gonna stay on the chassis. So we're gonna do that next. So yeah, we're gonna do that next. What do you think about it, Red? I'm digging it, Bob! Alright, short video, that's all I got. It's what I've been working on. Well, we'll see you next time. Appreciate you.